If you're struggling to extend your Govee lights, I thought I'd share this video to hopefully help out. This is my test setup here. I've got a regular controller, then a homemade extension, which I've spliced a portion of the Govee extension onto, and inside here is a little resistor that comes in all the factory pre-made extensions. Then we have 5 sets of lights with no cuts. Then we have 4 lights that were cut at the start. Then we have one 5-foot Pro extension, one regular kit extension, and then another Pro extender. Then I have a homemade extension going into a full set of lights. And then I have 8 lights that are cut on both ends. And that goes into a Pro extender, and then a regular extender, and then an extension that I made out of 3-pin flat wire, 20 AWG. And that goes into a full set of lights, and then 8 lights. And at full bright white, we have 30.27 volts. What's interesting though, and I think what's causing problems for a lot of people, is the lack of resistor when you're making your own extensions. So for example, if I take all these extensions out, I get flickering right away at the end there. And just by adding a single one back, the flickering stops. And I can show the same thing over here. We've lost lots of length, but now we have flickering. And our voltage is actually going up. So clearly this isn't a voltage drop problem. It's something to do with the resistor in there, is making sure that the data signal is still really high quality when it's going through all those extensions. So even if I just put one of these back now, take a Pro one. Solves the flickering right away.